Hello everyone and namaste. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to frame painting at home. So this is the painting. You all must have seen this in my last video. Yeah, this is the beautiful painting that I have painted, and I got this frame from my local market. This is an amazing frame. Actually, this first thing you have to know the size of your painting. So my painting is 24 by 29 centimeters, so it fits in it perfectly. So all you have to do is just flip this frame back and just open up these clips around the back hardboard, remove this area, and there's a glass. I hope you can listen or watch, and just put I mounted this painting. I just got some golden dust that I use here and there, with some rough textures just to give it an old texture. As you can see, it's not even, it's a little messy, but it's amazing. So I mounted this, as you can see, and I'm putting it in my frame, and it fits really well. And then this I have to, and now just close all these clips very gently, because they can break, and my mirror can break. This glass can break too with even a little bit of pressure. And now we can flip the painting, and ta-da, it's ready. So I can give you a close look, and my pen drops. So it was light. So here it looks like. So I hope you like it video. Please give it a big fat thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel so that I can know you guys want more videos like this. It's quite beautiful. I'm so loving it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.